Do you have a fashion designer in your home? Then Fashion Plates is for you. With 25 different fashionable fabric swatches, you simply lift the top board and replace one or more swatches of your choice. The open-ended fashion combinations inspire creativity and visualization. Learn which fabric colors and patterns seem to match or contrast better as you improve fine motor skills. Learn to fold and overlap fabrics to create t-shirts, shorts, skirts, dresses, sweaters, shoes, and more. Fashion Plates also provides for advancement as you learn to create more sophisticated combinations. Swap out the 4 magnetic heads for a different mood or hairstyle.